that just yummy looking? Don't you really want to eat it?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Thank you. Ah! Almost.
All right, you guys. First bite. The duck is in there.
Yum.
Some garnishment.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Open Road for Two. We're up here in the San Bernardino Forest.
We decided to come and find some yellow.
That was your entrance, huh?
Yes.
We got something yummy today. But first, hi everyone. Welcome back. I'm Corey, and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. This is my buddy Chad. Yay! Being a weirdo and doing some kind of dance. Anyway, we are going to show you our
Wednesday Hump Day Food Day.
Something yummy going on in here. We hope. We hope it's yummy. We got some steamed buns. Steamed pork bun. Hopefully there's no glare. I'm gonna try. But hopefully you can see that. If not, it'll be on the green screen. You can see a better picture of it. But that's just gonna be our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Yay! That we're gonna try and taste and tell you how yummy it is and give you the 5-star or 4-star or 3-star or 2-star or 1-star rating.
Or 0-star.
Or a 0-star. Ugh, no, just kidding. But anyway, alright you guys, enough jibber jabber and goofing off. Let's go cook these, okay? Alright,
Yeah.
You ready? You wanna go cook them? I'm hungry.
Me too.
Anyway, they're frozen. You gotta keep them frozen until you're ready to steam them. But that's what they look like. And they're like pork, meatball, and other stuff in there. I'll explain what's in there later. But that's it. Yay! Okay, let's go cook them. Let's go steam these. Woo! We'll be back.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so all we're gonna do right now is we're steaming them. I have some water and little struggles with one hand. Some water in there and steaming them. Says to steam them on the back of the package right here. Place frozen product slightly apart in a steamer. Steam product over boiling water for about 15 minutes or until internal temperature reaches 166. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Isn't that just yummy looking? Don't you really want to eat it?
Yes.
Yes! Alright. A steamed pork bun. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, smells good. Smells like white flour. White and wheat flour. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. I have right here my favorite dipping sauce with sesame oil, soy sauce, and garlic chili. Mmm. But I'm not going to taste it until, I'm not going to dip it in there until I taste it and tell you guys how it tastes, just like this. So we're going to cut this open.
Okay.
These are food scissors. We buy these scissors especially just for food, so we can do this, not have other things in there.
Cool.
But I'll show you what the inside looks like of these yummy sounding. Mmm. Oh, smells good. Get Daisy, lay down. Stop it. So anyway, that's the inside.
Nice.
Doesn't that look yummy? Pork, water chestnut, oyster sauce, and other ingredients. I can't name them all. I forget. But anyway, that's what it tastes like. That's what it looks like.
That's what it tastes
That's
like.
what it tastes like. That's what it tastes like, guys. Anyway.
5-star.
Woo! Alright. You ready, Chad?
Of course.
Cheers. Mm. 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 Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Not bad. Really delicious. For frozen, Man, that's actually really good. Daisy. Okay, come on. Come on. You want to taste some? What do you think? 5-star, Mama. 5-star. Anyway, all right, you guys. No, go lay down. Go on. Good girl. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go. Anyway, these are really good.
Yeah.
I like them. Make sure when you cook them, they come to an internal temperature of 160 degrees.
Okay.
It'll tell you all the instructions laid out in English on the package. Get them in the Asian market. There's different brands, probably all just as good. Anyway, like that. You can taste the pork. I can taste a little hint of like I think it's called a water chestnut. Got a little crunchy in there, all mixed into the pork. And I do taste the oyster sauce. We cook a lot with oyster sauce, so I am pretty aware of what oyster sauce tastes like. Very good. I recommend them. A little hint of sweetness, I believe, from the oyster sauce, and probably from the bun. The bun is cooked very well, done all the way through.
Wow.
It's not super thick. Like some of them, I would be careful. You might want to try them. Don't give up if you see some that are like super thick and very little tiny meat. Just buy a different brand and try it. I think this brand, and it'll be. You'll see that you should have saw the picture and stuff. We'll keep having more pictures. Look at the green screen and stuff like that, and I'll link the brand below. But anyway, now I want to try it with my special sauce. Yep. Really good. I recommend it. Go out and give it a try. They're frozen. You keep them frozen until you're ready to steam them. You steam them for about 15 minutes. I already explained a little bit in the video. You should have saw how I cooked them and everything. Really good. My star rating on these, I'm honestly going to have to go 5-star. I like these a lot. These are really, really, really good. Not like really good for frozen foods that you can buy in an Asian market. I'm sure homemade, you can find an Asian that can cook them homemade for you. Probably better, because everything homemade is always better. It's my personal opinion, but I like these. These are great. 5-star rating for frozen.
Yeah.
You buy from a supermarket, an Asian market.
I think 5 stars. Well, for me, basically the same.
Daisy loves them.
Of course she does.
She loves everything. Come on. Yummy. You got it. Good girl. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Until next time, you guys, we're going to go finish our lunch and enjoy.
Nice.
Hope you guys enjoy.